In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable Leo AI in Brave browser. Brave includes a built-in AI assistant called Leo, which can help with browsing tasks and AI chat features. However, some users may prefer to disable it completely for privacy reasons or simply to keep the browser interface cleaner and less distracting. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the different settings you can adjust to either fully disable Leo AI or simply hide it from view. To begin, open the Brave browser on your computer. Once the browser has fully loaded, move your cursor to the top right corner of the screen and click on the menu icon. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings to access the main browser configuration page. After entering the Settings area, look toward the left-hand side of the screen where the navigation categories are listed. From there, click on Privacy and Security. This section contains important browser controls related to permissions, data handling, website access, and other privacy-related features within Brave. Inside the Privacy and Security section, select Site and Shields settings. This page allows you to manage how websites interact with your browser and gives you more detailed control over browser permissions and functionality. Now, scroll down until you find the section labeled Additional Permissions. Open it to reveal more advanced settings that are not immediately visible in the standard permissions list. Among these options, you should see a setting called Leo AI Chat. Click on Leo AI Chat to manage how the feature behaves inside the browser. To fully disable the feature, select the option that prevents websites from opening Leo AI Chat. Once this setting is enabled, websites and browser prompts will no longer be able to launch the Leo AI Assistant automatically. If you prefer not to disable the feature completely, but simply want to remove it from the browser interface, there is another option available. On the left-hand settings panel, click on the Leo section to access Leo-specific customization settings. Inside the Leo settings page, look for the option labeled Show Leo in Sidebar. Toggle this setting off to hide the Leo icon from the sidebar while still keeping the feature available in the background if needed later. This can be a useful choice for users who want a cleaner browsing layout without completely removing the AI functionality. Once you finish adjusting the settings, the changes are applied automatically and you can continue browsing normally without restarting the browser. And that's all you need to do to disable or hide Leo AI in Brave browser based on your preference. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.